All right, so right now, what I'm going to show to you is how to add contacts in our CRM. So click contacts, and then, so right now, these are just a dummy. So we will just remove this or delete this. All right. All right, so we will delete that. So now, how to add this? You can click add here or add here. So click that, so whatever. And then if you can see here, first name. So for example, I have already this list, Filipino. So for example, like this one. So first name is asterisk, so meaning this is a very important or this is required. And then email, we will add that. And then if there's a contact number, you can add. Contact type, you can just click lead. So meaning lead means just a lead. So meaning this is not yet a customer, you haven't talked to them, so this is only a lead. But if this is a customer that you already serve service or buy something from you, so that meaning that is a customer. So right now, this is only a lead. And then time zone. So right now, I'm in Pacific, so I will click Pacific. And then for this, don't click anything here because if you click that, the workflow later on that we're going to create will not go through with this. Just click save. All right. So now, if you can see, we have other things here. So for example, so right now we will not put anything here, but we will add tags. So tag is very important because when we create a workflow, we use tags to trigger the contacts that we need to be in that workflow. Okay, so click tag, and then so for me, I want this one to be in my newsletter. Okay, so click newsletter. So, and then if this is client, you want to be in the follow up, so click follow up. But for now, because I'm just collecting these people just to be in my newsletter, so I will just click newsletter. So, and then click apply. And then after that, so actually that is really just the important part of creating contacts. So right now, that's it. So this is automatic. It will save. So let's just go back. And then if you can see here, there's already tags here. Another one. Again, the name or the client. And then the email. So she don't have any phone number. So again, this is only a lead. And then my time zone is Pacific. And then click save. And then again, I want this one to be in my newsletter. Click newsletter and apply. All right, so that's it. So that's how you can add contacts in our CRM.